I am 100% happier in my job than I was before I started this course. I feel as though I've got more confidence and more energy to do my job, whereas before it was, I don't know whether I want to do this anymore.
I feel more fulfilled and I enjoy my work better.
My relationship with the people I work with is better.
The impact it's had in a work atmosphere, it's helped me have brave conversations, be kinder to myself, acknowledging that I should be able to have self-care, that I do count, I am enough.
Being a perfectionist has been replaced by progress over perfection, which has empowered me but also released me.
It is a breath of fresh air, and to know it's okay not to be okay, and it's okay to look after yourself. You don't need to be perfect, it's okay to fail.
You can still push and stretch yourself without there being a negative rhetoric behind that. Accessing that side of myself, I can extend that compassion to other people.
You need resilience to do this job. You need to be able to say, I need to look after myself, or I need to look after my team. This has allowed me to be able to do that.
And kinder to ourselves, we'll be kinder to others, and that absolutely will improve patient safety.
The program has proven to me my worth.
For us to give our best as carers, we have to appreciate who we are. The whole formula leads to staff retention, staff development, better patient care, and safer and better outcomes for patients.
Like, it sounds huge, but it genuinely changes your life. I genuinely feel the way that NHS is at the moment, that it should be mandatory training.